Okay, so hello everyone. So today will be the sixth class. Okay, and I'm going to share my screen. Can you see the screen? Hello. I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so today is the sixth class, and the course name is Programming Data Structure and Algorithms using Python. So basically, I just want to know about the previous homework as well as the previous questions, because there were in the previous class so many students were asking about some questions regarding set. They were asking about something, I think, merge sort. Then all the questions were there. So first of all, before going to all these things, I would like to tell you something about that. Like in the previous class, also there were two questions which they told me to ask NPTEL coordinator. Basically, the first question was, first question was from Chandana. I think she is here. If she is there here, then it will be very good. Otherwise, I am just telling this. It will be obviously the video will be recorded, right? So she can, if she is not present here, she can tell it later also. Basically, her question was that she was mailing me about the exam center, and if you also have the same problem, then you can just listen this carefully. She had the problem with the exam center, and she told me that she forgot that whatever she was writing in that exam form, that three options were there, right? So, but she was just forgot that which options she mentioned in the exam form. So that's why she was just asking me if it is possible that if anyhow she can know what was the exam center she has put in that exam form. Then I asked the NPTEL coordinator, and you can see the reply from her. The reply is like the details will be available inside the exam form where they have filled in the choices. So, and also she was just suggesting me ask them to log into the form and check again. So it's a very simple thing. You can just go and check. You can just go and log in to the course and log into the form again. And in that exam form itself, it's present there. So you can just go and check that. Okay. So whatever the problem was from Chandana Chandu, I'm just repeating that one, that you don't have to worry about anything, because you just go to see the exam form, and in that exam form you can see yourself that which exam centers you have chosen there, and do you it accordingly. Now the second question was about that ID proof. Okay, so that ID proof, for that ID proof I asked ma'am again about that ID proof, but ma'am did not reply right now. I don't know when she will reply. I will let you know. I think it was the problem with I don't know. I remember his name. The name was like Vandana Verma. Okay, so if you, okay, yeah, if you were here, then I asked Lakshmi Priya ma'am about these things. Like I asked her about your problem, but she did not reply till now. So when she will reply, then I will let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I log in the my SWAM MPTL login ID, but I never saw here registration form at all. Why?
Have you filled the registration form before?
Yes, I totally filled it, and already I paid it for that.
Okay, that is fine. And okay, so that means you have already filled your registration form, and but you are talking about Bandhana. Okay, so you have the problem with the proof ID, right?
Yes, ma'am, but right now I'm not showing the option of registration form, because Yes, last week I was sewing, but right now I'm not sewing my registration form is my portal. Why, ma'am?
Okay, is it the same problem for everyone or only for Vandana? Can anyone reply? Like, I have to know that is everyone has the same problem or not?
Because actually last week I'm showing the option of registration form because I have to I want to change where it, but right now I'm not showing here. Why?
Okay, so
I just confused
after
that.
logging, you don't have any type of option to show the exam form. Uh,
Yes, 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 yes.
as I already told that ma'am told me about that the details will be available inside the form where they have filled the choices. So you just go to log in to the form and check again, something like that. So it
How
should be
to
like
log in
that.
the form, ma'am? Can you help me how to log in the form, exam form?
Okay. Actually, I did not register for that now because I am not a student there. So, is anyone can help her actually like in that registration form opening and all this? Did anyone do that?
She can take the reference of YouTube.
Okay, if
Okay,
it
okay. Yeah.
okay if
Yeah.
it is available in YouTube, then you can just search in YouTube and or otherwise if you still don't have any option to open your examination form, then let me know and I will ask again to that NPTEL coordinator. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I only joined now. Can you repeat this?
Yeah, Shari.
I'm Nacha Lakshmi.
Yeah. Oh, okay. For you, I asked about NPTEL coordinator also, but she did not reply till now. Once she will reply, I will let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and about that Chandana, if she is there, then it will be good. Or otherwise, if she is not there, then I can also tell you that she has a problem about that exam center. Choose because she chooses a different exam center and she forget that which one she choose. So that's why she asked me about that exam center, and then I asked NPTEL coordinator, and they replied like that. The details will be available inside the exam form, and you can just go to log in for the exam form, and you can just check there what will be the whatever the exam centers you have chosen there. It will be visible. Okay, so these three questions were there about that exam and all. And one more thing I have to tell you, I think you have all have seen this page. Just a minute. Yeah. So this page, I think you have all seen this. It is obviously present in, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to know when the hall ticket will be released.
It will be released soon, and it will be reflecting on your portal itself. Okay, I mean there will be a advertisement like that. You can see that just like here exam format March 2023. The same will be like that. Hall ticket will be. Hall ticket is released, something like that. It will be. It will be soon. Okay, I will not tell about at which time it will come, but it will come soon. But yeah, I just want to focus on that. That you can see. I think you all have seen this page. It is already each and everyone's portal. It is in the portal. So here you can see that if you just click on, no, not here. Yeah. If you just click here, the exam of the type of exam will be available in the list. You can just click here, then you can find that your exam, that is the programming data structure and algorithms using Python. That that exam will be on online, as you all know. Like it will be a computer based exam. Online means I am just talking about computer based exam. And yeah, about in that computer based exam, it is already written here. You can see that the questions will be on the computers and the answers will have to be entered on the computer. Type of the questions may include multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, essay type questions, etc. But as I asked sir personally that what will be the pattern of that question, as you all know, I have mentioned in the previous class also. The type of the question will be only, I think I have mentioned here also. Wait. Oh, here. I have already mentioned there in the previous week also, but still I am just telling you that the final exam will be like the quizzes, some MCQ and some fill in the blanks. There will be no programming exam, and yeah, that is the thing. Okay, so don't worry about that writing of the programming, big programming and all this. You just have to understand the program very clearly. That is the main focus, and you have to answer. You have to give the answer with the respect to the understanding of your programming skill. Like whatever you are understanding from the program, you have to just answer on the understanding. So here now these are the things I wanted to focus. Now let's come to our main session. So in the main session I will tell you about something about the set. I mean in the previous class someone told me about the set, like yeah.
Can you share please model questions, ma'am, to practice?
Sorry?
Share the model questions, ma'am, to practice, ma'am, for
model. Yeah, model question is there. If you want the model questions also, I can give you the model questions. Like obviously it was the model question from previous year. Okay, I can give you the recent year model question. I think it will be available to you also. I mean after some time. But still, if you want the model question from previous year, then I can give you that one also. But I think now. Okay, so I will attach this previous year model question in that PDF itself. Okay, so when I will go to upload that PDF, and you can see that there is a Google Drive link, and in that link if you just click on that link, then you can find my PDF, and with that PDF I am just going to attach the model question paper, so that you can have a feeling of that exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you send me the link of that PDF?
PDF of what? Like which PDF?
Just now you told you will share the link, PDF of PDF.
I will share this PDF, whatever I am just writing here, right? It will be shared with that Google Drive link. Do you have that Google Drive link? I have already sent you, before so many times.
Yes, in second or third lecture you shared same link, right?
Yeah, that the same link, the same Google Drive link will be there, and after finishing my lecture, I will upload this PPT as well as that models question paper. If you want, then I can attach it with that Google Drive. Okay.
Madam, for ourselves, can you share that link again?
Okay. Wait. Just a minute. I'm sharing in chat box. Okay. So if you just click on that, here you can find all the PPTs, whatever it was there. From the very first class of our Python. So, and as well as the Python programming also is here. So you can just go and check is it visible for you or not. But now that model question, what about the model question I will upload after the lecture. Okay. So you can find here, see here all the week is there, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 1, and today is the week 6. So I will upload that week 6 PDF also here. Okay, so what about the model question? If you have some doubt on that model question, whichever I will share with you, if you have some doubt on that model question also, you can tell me in the next class. I will discuss on that also. Okay, but because obviously your exam is coming, So we should focus on that exam pattern and all these things. So if you have any doubt on that, then you can just tell me in the next class. I will tell you. I will try to solve this problem. Okay. So yeah. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you explain permutation?
Yeah, you told me in mail that about the permutation, but yeah, I can tell, but I don't know how much time I will have. But yeah, I will just do whatever whatever the students asked me to do, and after that, obviously, your things is in my mind, and I will do it today itself. Today itself, or it will not be possible by today. In the next week, I will do the permutation. Okay. I don't know how time will permit me. Okay, that is the main problem. So if to tell,
Okay.
yeah, that is the thing. Okay, so coming to the lecture part at first today, because if all the things will be there, then we don't have any time to talk. Okay, so about the set, I think you all have know about the set, and I have seen that Mukund sir's lecture. It was, I think, in the week number 6. I hope so. Yeah. Week number 6, there was a lecture on shade. Not only shade, there was a lecture on shade, stock, queue, and all the stack and queue and all these things. But as there was a request from a student purpose that we want to know about something set in Python. So I just want to tell you a very brief introduction about the set and how to implement this set calculations and set operations in Python. And you can see that in that 6th assignment also there were some questions on set. So you have to know something better about the set in Python. So let's start with the set, and I will tell a very brief introduction and very brief calculations. So yeah. So let's start about the set. Set is nothing but, like, as I'm not doing any definition of the set and all. I think it was already taught in class 11 or 12. So set, but in Python, how to write a set, right? So just a minute. So let's say I have a set, as sir has some example on that set, but still I'm just doing the same one but in different way little bit. Let's say I have some numbers. Set is, whenever you are going to tell about set, in your mind it is coming like set is like a some sort of numbers, and it will like a very likely as a list, but is not exactly a list. So set in Python, how can I write a set? Let's say I have a list. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 20, and all these things is as a list. Okay, so you can see if third bracket is there, then obviously it is a list of numbers. So L obviously the list of number and all. Now I just want to do these things as a set. So let's say set. So how it will be? This is just by default. In a Python, it is a by default command that if you just put set, and then inside of set, then you just write here that L. Then this L, that's now this set is nothing but a set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, and 20. So if I just write here set of anything, let's say I'm just writing here set of 5, 2, 9, 10. Then, and let's say it is a P. So if I write like that, then my P will be a set. It will not be a list right now. It will become a set. Set of numbers 5, 2, 9, 10.
Ma'am, here set is a keyword.
Yes. Here set is by default a keyword in Python. Just if you just write here set, and then this is a open bracket. Just remind it is a open bracket. Okay. So within that open bracket, if you just write here before of that open bracket set, and inside of this something like, let's say Okay, I'm just giving another example. Let's say set. Then I'm just writing here, as I said already shown that same example, banana. So you can see that this is this banana is nothing but a string, right? So I'm not writing this one. Obviously this is not a list. I'm just writing here only banana and like that. Okay. So if I just only banana is itself a string. But if I write set banana, then what it will give? It will give me like some number, like it will give me like, let's say,
So curly braces.
it will be a curly, yes, it will be in a curly braces. So it will give me like, let's say B. At first B will give, and then A,
Individual alphabets.
and then A. But it will not give me all the things like B, A,
Okay,
N,
duplicates are
A, N,
not
A.
allowed.
Because, yes,
Duplicates are not allowed in set.
yes,
No,
yes.
ma'am, repetition is not allowed.
Yeah, repetition is also not allowed, and it is going to remove the duplicate numbers. Like if I just calculate here the numbers, let's say I'm just writing here 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Then if I write here set, then it will give me as 1, 2, 3, 5. So it will remove the duplicate things. Okay. So now, okay, I will give these things. I will show these things in terminal also, so that it will be very much useful for you. But right now, I am just giving the theory part at first, and after that, I will do the practical one. So now coming to some basic operations on set. As you all know, there is some basic operations like union, then intersection, then let's say some difference, set difference.
Exclusive or.
Yeah, I will do that. Okay. Yeah, exclusive or. And these things. Okay, so I'm just talking about these four, as already it was told by sir also. But still, like the union is nothing but, let's say I have A and B. Okay, I have two sets, A and B. So if I just want to do a set of, the union of A and B, then it will be A and this B. Okay. For the intersection, it will be like A and B. And for set difference, it will be A minus B. And for exclusive OR, it is like A to the power B. Okay, so now coming to the theory part of these a little bit. Like you all know about the union. Let's say I am just taking about one simple set. 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to tell me what will be the value of all these four. Let's say if I just want to calculate this one, what will be the value of this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. Now intersection, here this one.
2.
Just a minute. I think
One,
it's not
two.
visible. Yeah.
1, 2, ma'am. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Yes, it is 1, 2. Now coming to the A minus B.
3. 3.
Which one?
3. 3.
3. Okay. Now you can tell me B minus A.
4, 5.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. Fine. Now coming to the XOR part. Just a minute. So the XOR part is like that. Tell me. XOR part.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. So obviously I don't want to explain all these things, as we all know these things. Okay, so A and B about these things. So in Python, how should I do these things? Obviously, like if you just write here, I have A equals to set of 1, 2, 3. B equals to set of, what was this? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how A exclusive B will be 3, 4, 5, 6? Exclusive OR means the common element which are in both, that will be excluded.
Yes. So for A and B, you can see that the
Not
one.
A and B, A exclusive B. A exclusive B.
Yeah, this one, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, I'm just going to tell you. So here you can see that one. As you already told the definition. The definition for A exclusive B is what? Like the common factor of A and B will be excluded, and the other things will be there in that A exclusive B set, right?
3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, ma'am. 3, 4, 5.
Then 3, 4, 5, 6, obviously, because 1 and 2 are the common factor here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now how should I write these things? Like A is like that one and B is like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now we will do like A, let's say B. And it will, let's say I'm just writing here print A, B. Then it will give me whatever it was there in that, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then A uni A and B intersection, A minus B and A to the power B. I mean A exclusive B, it should be called like that. So these type of things are here. So this is all about the set, and yeah, as I already told about the set thing, so I have to tell you some questions on set so that it will be very much clear to you. I think you all have solved about the this year week 6 quiz problem. And here, yeah, and here you can see that there was first 2 questions were on set. Yeah, but now I am just going to tell you about the previous year week 6 quiz. Okay, so there were some questions about set. Just forget this one. Okay, so you can see the question. The question is coming like, suppose U and V both have values of type set and are disjoint. This is a very important thing, disjoint. Which of the following expressions evaluates to true? And there are 4 questions. So,
ma'am, disjoint means no common element between them.
Yes. So disjoint means what? I am just taking very simple examples so that it will be very much clear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if these
Disjoint
2 are, yeah.
All are same.
Sorry. Hello.
Disjoint or exclusive or is same.
Yeah, disjoint and exclusive. Exclusive is like, exclusive means exclusion, like we are just going to exclude that one. But disjoint means that within 2 set there will be no common element. Okay, so disjoint is like that. Whatever
These 2 sets are different.
Yeah, obviously 2 sets are totally different. That is the thing. And whatever the element of U is there, it should not be there in V. And yeah, if you want a mathematical expression for that U and V disjoint, there will be a very complicated things that, okay, whatever. I will not tell you right now here because so many people can't understand. But yeah, so V and U and V are like that. Just I am taking a very simple example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means these 2 are disjoint. Now coming to the question, which of the following expressions evaluates to true? Okay. So, can you tell me, okay, I'm just giving the first one, I'm just doing the first question and you have to do the second question. So,
Third answer. Third is the correct answer.
Third is the correct answer. That means this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, each and everyone are agree with her or not? Like, if you don't understand, is it, I'm not telling that is it correct or not, but if you think that it is correct, then it's fine. Like all of you understand this question, or should I explain? It's better to explain, I think. Okay. Just only what this question.
No, sir. No, ma'am. You explain it. Actually, I'm not understanding about that. It. Please.
Okay. Sure. Just a minute. So at the very first option, what was the option? The option is like V, this. This is the question. First question. First option. So what does it means? It means that our U is equals to this one, and this double equals means whatever the element will be inside of U, it should be, I mean the same element should be present in that function, I mean in that set. So this is itself a set, and what will be the value of this set? See, this is like at first what it will do that U exclusive V. So if we are doing U exclusive V, that means what will be the value of U exclusive V here? As I have taken U and V like that, then what will be the value of U exclusive V here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, fine. I mean all the elements will be there because there is no common element which we should exclude, right? So U exclusive V is this one. Now coming to the V and then union UV. So V is what? V is 4, 5, 6. Then if I going to union V with this one, then what will be the answer? The answer will be just a minute.
3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's a union. Okay, so in that union all the elements would be there. So but you can see that our first option says that U should be equal to this one, but I have calculated this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is not exactly equal to U. That means our first option will not be the true one.
3 option is true, ma'am.
Third option is true.
Yes, third option is true. Now coming to the third option directly so that it will be good. So here U union V. So U union V means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now then V exclude U. So UV. So if I write here V exclude UV, then what will be the value?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
And obviously the 1, 2, 3 is equals to U. So that's why our third option will be the true one. And you can check that second and fourth one also, these will not be the true one. Okay. So obviously for that question number 1, the answer will be 3. Now coming to the second question, and you have to tell me the answer of that question. Here it is written that suppose U and V both denote sets in Python. What is the most general condition that guarantees that U union V will be U intersection V? I think it will be a little bit tricky question. So if you can do, then it's fine.
Both should be disjoint. Sets U and V should be disjoint.
U and V should be disjoint.
Yes, U and V should be disjoint, because this is like, if I am writing here the same thing, V 4, 5, 6, then U and V will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and U union V is obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say if it is not a disjoint, let's say I am just writing here 1, 2, 3 and then 5, and then V is 4, 5, 6. Then what will be the V exclusive, U exclusive V? U exclusive V will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So can anyone tell me, if it is possible that I am just writing in the right hand side V, U exclusive V, then what will be the form of left hand side in the form of a set? Like if I write here something like that.
U and V.
U
intersection V. U intersection V. U and V.
No, if intersection V is there, then 6 should not be there and 4 should not be there also.
Universal set. Universal set.
No.
U union V minus
Okay.
Yes, that is
yeah.
U union V minus U intersection V.
I I'm
That
just
will be on left side. That will be on left side.
I'm just writing whatever he is telling, but you have to tell me is it correct or not. U union V. U union V means 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm writing 1, 2, 3.
This is the
4,
correct.
4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5,
6.
6. That is correct.
Now UV intersection. What is the UV intersection? Intersection is only 5. I mean this one will be like, okay. So now I'm just doing this one minus this one. So obviously it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, fine. Okay, so it will be like U V then minus U and V. Yeah. Okay, now coming to the third question. Oh yeah, in the third question about the heap. I think all of you know about heap, right?
Ma'am, can you explain?
No.
Okay. It was already mentioned by sir. It was very clearly explained. But yeah, I'm just writing. Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, I have not yet seen the video.
Okay, you didn't see the video. Okay. So, but yeah, I have a question. You didn't see the video, but you already submitted the 6th assignment, right? How did you do that? Okay. I think the 6th assignment has already done, right? I think the last date was 8th March. I hope so.
Yes.
Yeah. So in that is, I think in that question also the heap was there. Okay. Whatever. So heap is nothing but an array of numbers. Like it's an array. Okay. So array and there will be a list of numbers. So heap has some features. So what are the features? The heap, let's say I'm just writing here one tree, binary tree, as the sir was already told about these things, but still I am telling this. Let's say I have some binary tree. Binary tree means like,
It is a complete binary tree.
yeah, it's a first of all, I mean the heap should complete and should follow two conditions. Okay, the first condition will be like it will be a complete set and complete binary tree. Complete in the sense like, okay, first of all I have to tell something. Whatever I am just writing here as a circle, this circle is known as node. Okay, each and every circle is known as node. I mean this one is node and this is a empty. Like if I just write here only simple a circle, then it's an empty circle, right? If I put here some value, let's say I'm just putting here 10. That means the value of that node is 10. Fine. Now this node has a special name. This node means I am telling about the first node. First node has a specific.
This is a root node, ma'am.
Yeah, specific name which has the name root. Okay. Now coming to the second one, let's say I have one root and after that there will be two branch, right?
These are called children.
This is a child node.
Just hold for a minute. Okay, I'm telling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Intermediate node.
So see what it will be, that will be dependent on the second node, second tree. Let's say I am just finishing my whole binary tree like that. Okay. And here you can see that this and okay, just a minute. I'm doing one thing. Yeah. Yes. Let's say I have this node have only one branch and this is the one, and then it finished. Okay. So that means it doesn't. I mean this is not a child. This is known as leaf. Now
this is incomplete binary tree.
No, it is also a complete binary tree. Like we can tell that. See,
complete means every parent will have
no.
children.
Just a minute. Let's say I have like that. It's also a heap. Okay. This whatever I have just draw here. This is also known as a heap. But the things is like that. This is a leaf. Leaf is nothing but which does not have any children further. Okay. And once also it does not have any parent also. Like you can see that if you have a parent and like let's say this one is called as a parent node, and this parent has two children. This is known as left child and this is known as right child. So this whole branch of tree is known as a heap. When it will not be a heap, when it will satisfy two conditions. First condition is like it should be complete in the sense that at the very first root will be there, then parent will be there, then left child, right child will be there, and obviously all the node will be filled by this by left to right rule. What is the meaning of left to right rule? Let's say I have this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. This is called, this can be a good heap. But if I write like this one, let's say this one, then this one, then this one. This is not a correct heap because there no left to right combination is satisfied. Obviously we have to fill this node from left to right. Here you can see that at the leftmost is filled. I am just writing here a circle means I am putting some values in that circle. Okay. So this is filled, this is filled, this is filled. Now let's see these three are filled, then it can be a good heap. It can be a heap. But if you can see that in that picture there is one which is not filling, like let's say I am telling like this one, I am just writing here these things as filled heap, a filled node. Okay. So if in my tree something is not filled which is leftmost in the position, that tree will not be a heap. Do you got my point? Basically our left to right filling will be there.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Then what is the difference between a complete heap and incomplete heap?
See, this is not exactly a heap at all. Okay, whatever I am telling you, right? So I am just putting here that coloring as a filled node. Okay, so
and it is an incomplete.
Incomplete means we can't say it is a heap. Okay, we can't say it is a heap. It is.
No, ma'am, binary tree. If we say then it is incomplete binary tree.
Yeah, it is a binary tree. Binary tree means it can be anything. In that binary tree, it is a binary tree. You can tell like that. But it should not be a heap. But now coming to this one, just a minute. This one, this. Let's say I am having that type of things. And here, this. This is not filled, right? So, this type of heap is, this type of binary tree can be heap. Why I am telling can be? Because it is satisfying the first condition. I am not going right now the second condition. If it will fulfill the second condition also, then it will be a heap. Okay. Just try to understand the structure of the heap at first. The structure will be like that. All the elements should be filled from left to right. It should not be like that. Our left element is empty and our right element is filled. It should not be like that. Do you got my point? For heap condition, for the second condition, for the first condition, heap should be like it should be filled by left to right. I am writing here like that. Okay, fine. Now there is some sound coming. Now coming to the second condition. The second condition will be very important for any type of heap.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
In multi-level, it can be incomplete, but it is filled from left to right. Then also it can be a heap.
Sorry.
In multiple levels of that tree,
yes.
If it is incomplete, but left to right it is filled.
Yeah.
Then it is.
Yes.
Then it can be a heap.
I'm showing you that example also. Let me give some free space. Yeah, I think I can do here. Let's say I have here, I'm just doing that one as a field. This one field, this one field, this one field, this one also field. Let's say this one field, and like that.
Yes.
And here, this is yes.
Empty. Yes, okay. Next level, I put one at the left side only. Left side to left side, yes. Now, can it be a heap?
No, obviously not. Oh yeah, I have to forget. I forget this one also, because it should be filled by up to down. Okay. I mean up to down as well as left to right. So as this is already empty, that is fine. I mean up to this one, if I just not include this one, I am not including this one. Up to this level, it can be a heap. Yeah. But if I just include that one again without filling that one, then it can't be a heap. Obviously, it should be up to down, fully filled, as well as left to right. Okay. This will be the first condition. Now coming to the second condition. The second condition can be divided into two parts. Let's say this is the second condition. In the second condition, we can have max heap. We can also have mean heap. Okay. Now coming to the max heap. What is the max heap? Max heap is nothing but, let's say I am writing here this, and I am just putting, not here. Okay. This is a complete heap. You can see that. I mean, if these all the node are filled, then it will be a complete heap from the first condition. Now I am coming to the second condition. Let's say I am making a max heap. So in that max heap, all the downward elements should be less than the upper one. That means our root should be the highest one. Let's say I am writing here 100. Then
parent should be greater than its children.
Yeah,
It should be
parents should be greater than its children. That is also fine, as well as the root will be the highest one. That is also a condition you can tell. Okay.
it should be filled in ascending order.
Yes, you can also tell like that. Whatever you can, with your convenient of understanding, you can tell whatever. But yeah, I'm just telling right here. Let's say 50, 40. Then it is 20, 30, 10, 2. This can be a max heap because it fulfills first condition as well as second condition. Okay. Now coming to the mean heap. What will be the mean heap? It will be just reverse of max heap.
मैम इसमें हीप में ये नहीं होता कि रूट पे लेस देन वाले राइट पे होते हैं और ग्रेटर देन राइट पे होते हैं.
Sorry.
Ma'am, that is binary tree.
In binary tree, this is values are on the left side less than or greater than.
No. It is not. It is not mandatory for heap. Okay.
Okay. It is binary.
Yes. Okay. You can write anything. So now coming to here, let's say mean heap. I am telling a very simple binary tree. So here mean heap, if I writing here, then the last column, the last row will be the maximum value, and the previous one will be the smaller, and the root will be the smallest one. So let's say I am writing 100, 200, 300, and let's say 50. Then it is 40. It should be 40. 40 means what? It should be less than these two. 350. And obviously let's say it is 30. And then it is 5. Then it can be a mean heap. Okay. Now there are two things. There are two commands in Python. Okay, so is it clear by everyone up to that mean heap and max heap, and how can I tell any type of heap it is a complete heap or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to a question, I'm just telling you a very simple question. I'm not going.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in list how we can write heap, ma'am?
Okay, yeah.
They
fine.
are giving us list.
Yeah. Good question. Just a minute. Let me erase that one. Okay. See, these are a very funny and very, very visualized problems. Okay. So if that type of questions are coming, it will be very good.
Okay.
Let me clean and then.
How
Yes.
many childs? Can you explain how many childs also?
Yeah.
Left side and right side.
Yes. Let's say I am writing here a tree, simple binary tree, and maybe it is a heap. Okay. Just for now, you can just a minute, 1, 2. Here it will be. Here it will be. Yes. So just assume that it is a max heap. Okay. Now, how should I write that type of things? I have written here as a visualization part, right? But in Python, how can I write these things as a notation? So what it will be? It will be like, let's say this is a root. So that root have, each and every node will have some position. So what will be the position? The root should have the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If I can extend anything here, then it will be 15. That means we have to go from top to bottom and left to right as such. You can see, let's say right now I am just writing here a heap. Okay. So in that heap, let's say I am writing 25, 2, 1. Only that much. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is like, this one is the root, which is 25. Then this one is 2, this one is 1. Because the position of 25 is 0, 1, 2. Do you got the point? And as you will increase the number, like let's say it is 5. It should not be like that. But yeah, I am just writing a random number. Just don't confuse with that heap condition right now. Let's say I am writing 6, 7. So the 5 will be here. And the 6 will be here, 7 will be here, and then it will be a complete heap. Obviously it should obey the second condition also, but yeah, I am not going into detail on that. But if I am just writing like that, then it will be fine. Let's say 2, 1, then it will be a max heap. 25, 20, 10, 5, 2, 1. Right. So this is a max heap example. And in Python we have to write like that so that it can understand that okay, the first element will be our root, the second element will be our left parent, and the third element is right parent, and then like that. Left child, right child, then again child. Okay.
Madam, just one question.
Yes.
Is there any separate symbol to identify that heap in Python? Like
Yes.
list or set?
Yeah. I'm telling that one. Yes. So now coming to a question at first, and after that you can understand. Let's say I have a question. I have the same question here. Yeah. See here, consider the mean heap. This one. So you can see here that mean heap is this one. So if I write here mean heap and then some numbers, let's say 15, 27, something like that, then what it will be meaning? It will be meaning like the root will be 15, then this one will be 27, this one will be 33, and something like that, whatever I was just telling. So if you have one type of things which has mean heap and then list of numbers, it should follow the rule of mean heap and it will consider as a heap contribution, like this type of tree. If I want to write here max heap, let's say I am writing max heap, then 100, 50, 40, 20, 10, 5. 2, something like that. Then our Python will consider like 100, 50, 40, 20, 10, 5, 2. Okay. Now I just want to tell you one thing, that can you make this type, can you make this type of, this type of heap by
Yes, ma'am, I
visually?
can.
I mean visually.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I mean.
And 15 will be the node, root element. Root will be the
yeah.
15.
Wait.
It is given in mean heap form. Now it is already given in mean heap form.
Yes. Now.
We just-
we just have to draw that.
Tree.
Yes. We have to draw that tree, and after that we have to do some operation on that. Like obviously in an exam you should not do like that. I mean they will not tell you to draw the simple max heap or mean heap, right? Because it's a class 2 level question. So at first we have to draw that one for our understanding. But after that we have to do some calculation on that. I will tell you about the calculation or operation whichever is applicable for heap. Okay. But before that I am just going to draw this one a little bit more. Let's say 15, then it is 27, then it will be 33, then it will be 39, then, okay, just a minute. I am just putting like that, and you have to tell me which one will be here?
66, 39,
Also will be, ma'am, 15.
47.
What? Hello?
Ma'am, it is already in the form of mean heap.
15.
51 last, 39 child.
This is the answer, I think.
Ma'am, answer is 15 is the root. So it is not the last element to be inserted.
See, just a minute. Actually, the question, whatever the question, I am not going into that question right now. Question will be like something else. You have to insert something on that heap. But yeah, before that, I am just making a tree. Okay, I mean the heap. So here it will be
51.
58 and it will be 51.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One more question here. Can two consecutive elements be same in heap?
Can?
Two consecutive elements can be same value?
Yes. Like you are telling like 27, 27.
Yeah. Is it or not?
Yes, it can be possible. But you have to do the calculation that these 27 should not be greater than these two. And
Okay,
these
yeah.
27
Yeah.
also should not be greater than these two. You have to,
Okay.
you have to confirm with that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to two operations. I am not going into that question right now, because in that question they are asking about inserting and deleting something. In that next question I think it is deleting. Yeah. In that next question it is deleting. But yeah, before that I am just going to tell about what is insertion and what is delete in a heap. Let's say I have one max heap. Most of the people already know about these things, but yeah, some of you don't know, so that's why I'm just telling. Let's say I have simple heap here, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so this is a complete heap. Okay, just a minute. First deleting this one.
Ma'am, how to change the max heap into mini heap? Which is the root node? How to identify
Which is the root?
root node? We have to change max heap to min heap.
Okay.
Then what will be the?
Ma'am, this operation is called heapify.
Yeah, yes. Heap, this one, right? I think I have written correctly. Maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I will tell all these things just a minute. So here the max heap is there. Let's say I am just going to insert something. Okay, so I am taking a good example so that it will be clear. Okay, now Now let's say this one. I'm just putting the same value whatever sir gave us. 11, 7. Then it is 10, 5, 6, 5. Okay. Now I'm just going to insert. Okay, so can you please tell me, is it min heap or max heap?
Max heap.
Yes, it's very simple that it's a max heap. Now I am just going to insert one value 12. So where should I insert?
In 10, ma'am.
Right child of 10.
Yes, left child.
10, sir. 10.
Right child. 12 is bigger. Heap.
No, see, at the very first I have to add here, okay, because otherwise, I mean, as heap condition is there, we have to fill by left to right, right? So as the right one is already filled for that row, then we have to fill in the next row the left one. So that means the left node will be filled by 12. But if I fill here 12, is it the condition that max heap will be satisfied?
No, ma'am.
Yes, because the 12 is greater than 12, 10. But obviously our 10 should be like 12, like it is totally reverse, it should be reverse. So what we should do right now, we will just interchange that one. That means that 12 will be here, 10 will be here. Now coming to the one that 12, if 12 is there, is it also valid? Then because here 11 is there. So obviously we have to shift that one again. That means our 12 will be here and this one will be 11. Now this is 12 and this is obviously less than 24. That means that condition is satisfied. And you can see that here 24 is there, then 12, then here
Ma'am,
11.
Again.
Yes.
11 is greater than 10. Now it's a heap.
Then it's fine, na? And here, and we don't bother about this part, this branch, because in that branch already the ordering is there and we are not inserting anything on that branch. So we are not bothering about this branch. So this is called as insertion. So in that insert we have to follow the heap condition, that for the maximum heap, obviously from up to bottom, the maximum should be the up one and then the lowest one will be the bottom one. And for minimum heap, it will be the reverse of that. Now coming to the second option, which is known as delete. Let's say delete max. So I'm just giving a same example, I think. No, same example I can do. Let's say I have one example, 24, 12, 7. Okay. Now this one is 11, then 5, then 10, then 33. Let's say, okay, I have a simple question for you. Not delete, I am just telling you another one, insert again, okay. So I'm not putting anything here. This is a heap. Is it a heap or not? It is heap, right?
No, it's not heap.
It's not heap. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Because left to right we have to complete, ma'am.
7th is not complete.
Yeah, that is the correct one. It is not a heap because up to bottom we have to fill. So as 7, after 7, 11 can go, 5 can come, but 10 can't come. Okay. So let's say I am writing here any another number 2 and 1. Now is it a heap or not?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is heap.
Now it is heap. Now let's say I am just putting here another one, 33 number. So where it will be?
Right child of 11.
Right child of 11. 33. So can you please tell me what will be the updated one? Because obviously it is not a heap right now. So what will be the updated one?
33 will be the root.
Top.
Okay.
33 will be the root.
Okay. Then just a minute.
24.
Swap and 11.
33. Then you have to tell me these values.
24.
33. Then here or here? Where?
24.
Where 24?
24.
Left.
24.
24.
Okay. Then.
7.
12.
Okay,
Then-
this is 7, this is 2, this is 1. There is no change on that. Now coming to here, this will be
11.
12.
12. 12.
12.
12.
12.
Then
5. 5.
Then 11.
11.
11 and 10.
10 and 11.
so it will be 11 and this one
10 and 11. Because
No, ma'am.
33 on the right side, na?
so it will be 10, it will be 11
Yes, ma'am.
because that 33 will be go here and this one will come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, I think you have already understand this. Now coming to the delete part. So delete means the same thing will be there, like we are just going to delete one number. Okay, so delete one number means, let's say I am going to delete, okay, here, yes. Let's say I am writing here 33. In the previous example was, so they are like 24 7, then 2 1 12 5, 2 1 12 5, then 10 11. Now if let's say I am going to delete 33 number, okay, that root I am going to delete. Now you have to tell me, okay, I am not going right now the numbers, I am just going to ask you one question. If my root will be absent, obviously something should be in root in the updated heap, right? Now you have to tell me, as my 33 will be now gone, then from the whole heap one element will be
Ma'am,
missing.
11. Ma'am, 11 will
Yes,
be there.
yeah, that means that rightmost will be not present here. Now coming to the calculation. Now where, I mean, if 33 is gone, then which one will be here? So which one will be here? Basically it will see both sides. It will see this side and this side. So among these two, which one will be the largest one? It will see that one. So the largest one is 24. That means 24 will go here, and 33, as I already told, it is already gone. So I am not talking about 33. Now my root is becoming 24. Now if this one is empty now, from these two branches it is searching for the highest one. What will be the highest one? 12. That means 12 will be here. Now again this one is empty right now. So here we have to fill something. But it is intact in 5. Right. Now coming to this part. So in that one, this is 10, this is 11. Which one will be come here? The 11 will come. That means, and this one will be remain empty. So and that 10 will be intact. So you can have one conclusion with that delete and insert statement. In that insert statement, we have to go from top to bottom. But in delete statement, we have to come in insert we have to go from here to here, bottom to top. But in delete statement, we have to go from top to bottom, right? But obviously, whole the calculation, whatever I have done here, it is for max heap. The similar calculation will be there for mean heap, but that condition will be changed. Like for insert, before it was like what? Bottom to top, but for mean heap, the insert will be top to bottom, and delete will be this one, bottom to top. Now I am giving you an example. I mean, in the previous example, there we have to insert something. Okay. Now coming to the example. Yes, this was the example. I'm just deleting a little bit.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
In insertion, you put 10 in left and in right you put 11. Why?
Okay, wait.
While you are inserting 33,
Which one you are talking?
you have inserted 33. Left side you put 10 and right side you put 11.
This one.
Ah.
I am inserting 33. Okay. So 33 should be here.
Lastly. Okay. That jump I have understood. Last step 10 and 11 I counted.
Okay. So 33 should be here at the very first because there is nothing. So 33 should be here. Now we have to exchange 33 in such a way that obviously the parent will be more than child. So here.
That all I understand. Only last thing, ma'am.
Okay. So last thing
12.
means, see, here you are changing this one to that one. So obviously it will come here. Otherwise, how can it go here, right? Like it is already filled by 10. Now 33 will be replaced by 11. That means obviously 11 will be replaced by 33. Otherwise, where 11 will go? Because as we are replacing
Only
that
replacing.
place. Yeah, only
Okay,
replacing
okay.
part is there.
Right.
So that's why
Okay,
11
thank
is coming here and 33 is going there.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in the next position 33 will go, 12 will come here and all these things.
Okay.
Yeah. So now coming to
The question.
yes.
Explain the question 3.
Question 3. Yeah, I'm just telling that one. But it is not erasing. Oh yes. Oh, it was already drawn. Okay. So this one is 15. I'm just writing that one. That heap. Okay. 15. Then this is 27. This is 33. Then 39. 66. Then 39, 66. Then 39. Then 47. Then 58 and 51. Okay, this is a tree. Further mean heap. Now build by repeatedly inserting values into an empty heap. Okay, empty heap. So empty heap was there and we are just inserting these values in that empty heap. Now which of the following could not have been the last element inserted into this heap? Now you have to answer the question. The question is which of the following could not have been the last element inserted into this heap?
15 is the root. 15 is the root element. It is the first element to be inserted. And 58, 51 is the last element.
58, 51 is the last element and 27
is the intermediate.
Intermediate.
See, just a minute. See, basically the position is like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? So obviously the first element which it will be inserted here will be 15. That means the 15, I mean it, as I already told, it will be the top to bottom. That means 15 will be inserted at first, then 27, then 23, then like that. Okay.
So 15 cannot be the last element inserted, no?
Yes. So which one will be the could not have been the last element inserted into this heap? So that means 15 can't be a last one because it's the root and all. Now can you tell me what will be the last element? What will be the last element which is inserted?
51, ma'am.
Yeah, 51 because it is the rightmost. Okay. And after that there is no element. Okay, that is very simple. Now this is a little bit tricky question. Suppose we exit. Yes.
Ma'am, So the answer is 51 now.
No, which of the following could not?
1 5 15.
Could not have been. It is saying like that, could not have been the last element.
But ma'am, when we look at this question, even 27 can be the answer. 27 cannot be the last element to be inserted.
Yeah, that is the thing.
So,
yes.
Isn't the question having multiple answers in this?
See, I have not seen that it is a multiple choice. So basically, the 15 obviously it will not be the last one, right? So at the 100% choice that it is the first one. Okay. Now 27 can be the last. Can be. Just why? Because let's say I have like that, and now 27 I am putting again in that tree. Okay. Let's say I don't have 51 right now, and I am putting 27 here again. I mean it is already there, but I am right now putting 27 here. Then what it will be? That you know that the condition of that minimum heap is like that. It will come here, then it will come here, then it will see that okay the 27. Then the 27 will be replaced by the new 27. Okay, so
why should we move, ma'am? That is, in 51 place, 27 will be comfortable, no?
No, because it's a minimum heap, na. So minimum heap means obviously this one will be So could not be. I mean that 27 may be the last one. But and also 58 and 51 may be the last one, because obviously if 58 is there, then it can come here and other things may be happen, but 15 can't be the last one. So that is the case. Okay, now coming to the fourth one. This is a little bit tricky. You can just read the question. Suppose we execute delete mean twice on the mean heap, that one. What is the resulting heap? So can you please tell me the tree, what will be the tree, so that it will be very much useful. I am going to delete right now. They are telling me to delete twice, not once, twice.
Ma'am, we have to delete the root element twice. Which element we have to delete twice?
Yeah, I am telling. At the very first, the first root will be delete, and in the second turn, the what was the root, updated root, we have to delete that one. Okay. I mean, let me just at first you can tell me the branch. I mean, how it will be. This
Ma'am, it is given. It is given in the form of mean heap.
Yes, it is given in the form of mean heap, right? So as it is already written here, mean heap. So 13, 29, 24, 67, then 52, then
89, 45.
89, 45,
98,
98,
79,
79,
58.
58. Okay, fine. So this is a heap and this is also a mean heap. Now I am going to delete at first 13. Then what will be the updated one?
24.
24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Okay, so 13, 24, 29. So that means what? Which one will be there? 24.
24.
Okay,
24.
24. Then here, this one will be the intact, right? 29 is there, and this
29.
whole branch will be the same. But only the change will be in the second branch. Do you agree on that? Okay. So now,
45.
Yes, ma'am.
now here,
45. 45.
45. 89.
545. Okay, yes. 45.
Minimum,
Yes,
minimum.
yes.
That
yes.
is minimum. Last thing is maximum. 89. That is not.
13 तो remove हो गया ना मैम.
Oh, sorry, yes. Then this will be, yes, like that, right?
But I think there should be some right child of 45 now, because 58
because see,
ma'am, otherwise it is not a heap because it is not balanced.
no, it is a heap. It is a heap. You can see that, na? For here also,
From left
it
to
has
right,
only
she is asking, ma'am.
Left to
From
right.
left to right, we have to complete all the things.
Oh, yes.
So I think 58 should be shifted there
Yes.
or
Ma'am,
something.
right child of 45 will be 58.
Yeah, this is what I'm asking.
Then 67, 98, 79. 58 will be the right child of 45.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait.
Then it will be a heap. Complete heap.
But how it can go here?
Ma'am, we are taking the last element 58 as a root and 13 we are deleting. Then we are heapifying. Then we are making the tree. Then 24 is the root. Then it's child of 29 and 45.
Yes. Actually, here the mean heap is taking, na? And I mean, whatever I have given as an example, it was max heap. Okay. So from that mean heap, you have to delete the last one. Yes, correct. Do you got the point? Basically, see, in that max heap,
We should not delete the root.
Yeah, I was
maximum.
Yeah, I was deleting that one. But here for that delete, I mean for a mean heap, we have to delete that one.
So we'll be deleting 58 or 13, ma'am?
58. Because see, if it is deleting here, then you can see that it itself is not a heap. See, basically when I was talking about max heap, in that max heap I was deleting the last one, first one, that root one, right? And then we are just moving backward and going there. But for that mean heap, so mean heap what will be there? Mean heap at the very last, yes?
Leaf we should delete in mean heap.
Minimum
Last
is the 13 na root, so minimum heap, mean heap में.
No.
Delete 30.
See, delete mean twice on the mean heap.
Ma'am, root we have to delete first time, then again
No.
the root which comes.
Oh, just a minute. I also a little bit confused. Wait. I don't want to tell you the wrong one. Just a minute. Because if it is there, then it should not be a root. The original heap is this one. Okay, can you see that? Then okay, 58 is shifting here in the place of 45, and then again 24 will be okay. See, the answer is written here that 58 is shifting here. The last one is shifting in
ma'am.
that last one,
Ma'am,
and
13 we are deleting.
yeah,
And then
at
we
the very first 13 will be deleted, and then 24
58 will be the root. And then we will heapify. We will use the process of heapify from top to bottom.
Top to bottom. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, that was a mistake. Yeah. So basically 13 we are deleting. So 13 deleting means that type of thing is there. But as it is not a heap, that means that 58 will go here.
Ma'am,
With the help
max
of
heap, in max heap, root node to be deleted. In min heap, leaf should be deleted.
No.
What we
Both
should
cases.
delete, ma'am?
Root only, ma'am. In both cases.
In both cases, root we are deleting. Okay.
Okay.
So at the very first 13 were deleted. I mean, as it was a root. So in that 13, like it was like that, but it is not a heap, obviously, because the right hand side is not a. I mean that left to right condition is not satisfied. So what it will do? It will heapify that 58 will come in that right hand side of 45. Then our updated root will be where should I write? So our updated route, yeah, sorry, I did a mistake. So let's say if they are asking in that question that we have to delete something, I mean delete mean. So as it is written here that delete mean, so that means we have to delete the 13, I mean which is the minimum one. Okay, but yeah, let's say in our question they are telling us about something which we have to delete, like let's say we have to delete 24
Question.
So yeah, in
Ma'am?
question, yes,
In max heap, what we should delete?
in max heap
the
delete
root.
max, which is the root. In max heap the root is the maximum one, right? So that's why for that max heap we have to write delete max, but in that mean heap our root is the minimum one, so that's why it is written that delete mean twice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Means both type of heap.
See,
While deleting, we should go top to bottom, right?
wait, just a minute. If you have one heap, let's say it is a mean heap, okay, so mean heap meaning is like that our root should be the lowest one. Is it correct? Mean heap means our root will be the lowest one, and after that there will be more numbers, like the highest one will be the latest one. Now in your question, if it is telling that delete mean, I am going to delete mean. Delete mean means I have to delete the minimum one. What is the minimum one for mean heap? The minimum one for mean heap is root. It is not necessary every time that we have to delete max root only. Whatever it is in that question, we have to delete that. Let's say in that max heap. So in that max heap, what is the maximum position? The root is the maximum one, and after that something. So if you are talking like that, we are going to delete max. That means we have to remove root. Let's say in that question it is telling that delete mean. So what will be deleted here for max heap? The last one. Whatever in that branching, like that child position, let's say this one is the smallest one. So I am going to delete this one. So according to your question, it will be like that. In that question, I did not see the question clearly. It was written that we execute delete mean twice. So delete mean twice means we have to delete the minimum one, and in this heap the minimum one is the root one. So that's why we have to delete the root one. Okay. Now I am again deleting these things. It's understandable, right? Like whatever it will be in question, we have to do that one. So now calculate that delete mean twice.
Now I have calculated twice. It will be 29 will be the root.
Oh, you have calculated. So what is the resulting heap?
29, 52, 45.
Just a minute. Yeah, 29.
52, 45, 67, 79, 89, 58, 98.
Yes, I also got the same answer.
Okay, so let's check with the answer. Is it correct or not? 29, 52. Okay. 29, 52, 45, 67. Is it correct? 79, 89, 58, 98.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so she has already done that.
Ma'am, can you explain quiz 6, third and fourth question, ma'am, this year?
Quiz 6?
Heap.
Which one? Quiz 6?
Third and fourth. Yes, ma'am. Quiz 6.
Quiz 6, third and fourth. Quiz
Ma'am, can you tell about search tree?
Which tree?
Search tree.
Search tree.
Binary search tree.
Binary tree, I know binary search tree. Okay, I don't know, I have to check. Okay, yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the third question, right? Which
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
following does not correspond to a max heap on the list of values? This one. Which of the following does not correspond to a max heap?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, the
One
result is
second.
there. Oh, sorry, the result is also there. Yeah, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you show me the answer of that one? Heap, minimum heap, twice deleting.
Yes, this is the answer. And I have also written here. 29, 52, 45, 69, 79, 89, 58, 99.
1 second.
You were telling me the symbol, if there is any separate symbol for declaring a heap or describing heap or like that.
What?
Is there any separate symbol?
Symbol means you can write like that, mean heap, and this one, list of numbers.
Only
Yeah,
symbol, list symbol only, nothing else.
Yes, that third bracket. Okay, so coming to the third question and fourth question. What was the third question and fourth question? Which of the following does not... Okay, don't see the answer, okay? Okay. I can't close that answer. Yeah. Okay. Which of the following does not correspond to a max heap on the list of the values? Okay. That is the simple question. See, this is the list of numbers. Okay, I am just giving the list of number in my tab so that it will be good. Oh, can you please tell me what is the number?
19, 28, 29, 31, 31, 45, 55, 72, 83, 97. Ma'am, 1 minute. 1 minute, you show that screen. I told correct.
Nineteen, 28, 29, 31, 31, 45, 55, 72, 83, 97. Okay, fine. So this is the question, and they are telling about 3 options, 3 or 4 options, and you have to tell me which one is not the max heap, I think, right? So which one is not the max heap? So for the condition of max heap, I am just going to calculate. I am going to make a max heap from this list of numbers. What will be the value of this? At the very first, obviously the highest one will be the root, right?
97.
This is the 97. Then coming to the next one. Next one will be what? 83.
83,
So
72.
83, 72. I'm taking a very simple example of a heap, max heap. It can be any possible combination. Let's say then 55,
45.
55.
Okay.
Here,
See,
231.
31,
Yes, we have to think about this one also. Let's say up to this one you understand that it is 83, this is 72. Now here something, here something. So whatever it will be, it should be less than 83. And now I am going to calculate here. This is 55 already you have written. Now this one will be, let's say I am writing 45. Then this one is, it may be like 31. Yes, 31. This can also be 31. Fine. Then coming to 55. So in that 55, let's say I am writing which one is left. Oh, these 3 are
29.
left. So 29. So 29, then 28 is fine. Then this is 19. Yes, that is fine. 28 and 19. That can be a max heap. Okay. Now coming to the question, there was 4 options I think, yes. Which one should not be the max heap? So, can you please see here? It's a very small one, I think. Can you see the screen here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's fine. So the first one, is it a max heap?
Yes, ma'am. First one is max heap.
Okay.
20, 48, 31, 55. Yes, yes, yes. Acha, how? Okay.
Max heap, ma'am.
How it can be a max heap? You can see that, like, obviously you can make the binary tree and after that you can see it's a max heap or not. But yeah, otherwise you can see one thing. I think my pen is not working here. Okay. So here that's 97, right? 97 is the root. Then you can see 83 and 45 are the two child. Now from 83, 55 and 72 is coming. Obviously 55 and 72 is less than 83, right? Then it's fine. Now 45 is taking 28 and 31, which both are greater than, less than 45. Now coming to 55. 55 will have 19 and 31 and 72 will have 29. So obviously it's a max heap. Do you got the point? Like, I'm just taking a
Yes,
random.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now the second one. In the second one, 97 is the root, then 55, 83. That 55
This
will
is not
hold,
max heap, ma'am.
that then,
Because 31 is
yeah, wait. That 55 will hold 29 and 45. Now, that is fine. Now 83 will hold 72 and 31. That is also fine. Now 29 is hold, 29 is holding 19 and 31. Yeah, that is not a heap because 29 is less than 31. Fine?
okay. Okay.
Just
This is
similarly you
answer.
can, yeah, just similarly you can check these two answers also. Let me check is it correct or not. The second one is the correct one. Second one. Yes, the second one is the correct one. Right. Because the node with value 29 has children with the values 19 and 31. It's already explained here. Now coming to the fourth one. Consider the max heap. Suppose we apply the operation delete max. See here it is written delete max. Okay. Twice to this max heap. The resulting max heap is like what? Oh, the same question is here. But if you want to calculate, then you can calculate. Delete max means which one we have to delete?
The root.
Maximum element, which is the root.
So twice it should be deleted. That means twice the same number you should delete. See here the same root is there, like 96, 96. So at first 96 will be deleted and another in the second one also the same will be deleted.
Ma'am, then there is no difference in calculation, right? In max heap and minimum heap, right?
There is no,
Means the procedure I'm asking.
the procedure for what?
For minimum and maximum heap, there is no difference while deleting or adding.
No, the deleting and adding means yes.
No difference, right?
Yes, like you have to search that which one will be the, I mean, you have to follow the rule, just it. You have to follow the mean
So
rule or max rule.
procedure is same, right, for
Yes,
both of them.
yes, but you have to follow the rule, that is the main. And for following the rule, you can, that as you already told, na, that heapify, it should be somewhere, that branch should be there. It should be followed, I mean, all the things should be considered your rule, that is the main thing. So here, what will be the answer? Can anyone tell? I think you have already calculated. And obviously it was already calculated because the date has already gone. So, yeah, I think it's good enough to calculate this one. Can I do the first one or you can do the two? I think you can do. 96, 96, 55, 74. Okay. Okay, so should we move or we are just waiting for the answer? Okay, so we can have 2 minutes for that calculation, and after that you can give me the correct answer, and I will see that correct answer is given or not. I am waiting 2 minutes. 26, 26. In the meantime, I can also do. I can see the numbers. Yes. 96, 96, 55, 74, 37, 42, 29, 18, 31, 19. Okay, so I am just deleting the first one, and you have to tell me the second one. 55, 74, 37, 42, 29, 18, 31, 19. Okay, so this one is deleted. That means here 96, then it will go up 74, this one will be intact, 74 now, 74 is deleted, this one is 37, this one will go, that means 31, 18, and then 19 will come here. Is it fine? For the first
Yes,
division?
ma'am.
Okay. And then the second delete. Second delete means 70.
74, 37, 55, 31, 42, 29, 19, 18.
9 and 18.
Okay, so which one is the correct one? Yeah, oh.
37.
7, 35.
Yes, 30.
90,
Tell me, 74?
55, 31, 42.
90.
Wait. Tell me, 74, 35, 55, 37, 55. These three are same. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
then? After 55, with the
30, 19, 42.
Ma'am, 74,
Ma'am,
37, 55, 31, 19, 42, 29, 18.
Oh, that means fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's check.
Yes, ma'am.
31, 19, 42, 20. Yeah, good. Fine. Okay, so heap problem has sorted. Yeah.
Ma'am, in max and min heap, we have twice deletion means maximum number, and in min heap means minimum number.
See, it is written here. It is written here. Delete max. That means the maximum will be deleted. In
Ma'am,
It is minimum.
ma'am, how to, please tell the second delete. Explain the second delete also. My answer is not matching.
okay. So see, up to that one you understand, right? This is the first
Yes,
one.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I am just doing then 74, 55. That means 74 will be the root and 55 is there. Okay, 74, 55. Then this one will be same. Now here 31. Okay, so 37 will go in the place of 74. Then here
31, 19.
31 will be there and this 19 will go here and it is 18. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
So like that you just calculate that one. Just make a list of these numbers. 74, 37, 55. Then 31, 19, 42, 29, 18. Okay. So what was the
Ma'am.
question? Yeah.
Ma'am, delete min means we have to
Yes.
delete minimum value.
Yeah.
Delete max means maximum value.
Yes. here the question was, suppose we exclude. Can you see the question? It was okay. Yes. Here the question is, suppose we execute delete min twice. Suppose we execute delete min twice means whatever at the very first, this is the list, and in that list we are going to delete at first the minimum one. The minimum one is 13. That's why at the very first 13 will be deleted, and after that 24 is the minimum one. So in that second condition 24 will be deleted. Delete min twice. Okay.
If we give delete max means the maximum.
Delete max means the maximum one, which will be the case for max heap. I mean in general. Like if you want to yes.
Ma'am, please explain the previous permutation in lexicographic.
Hello?
Ma'am, please explain dictionary of quiz 4 once. Question number 3 and 4.
Permutation, please explain, ma'am.
One by one, tell one by one.
Ma'am, please explain dictionary. That one is easy first. Little bit give idea about dictionary.
Okay. I have had one problem about dictionary, and the next one?
Permutation.
Previous permutation.
I can't hear. Okay, whatever.
Permutation, ma'am.
Yeah, permutation.
Previous permutation in lexicographic.
Okay. So at the very first quiz 4, coming to quiz 4, this year, right? You are talking about this
Yes,
year
ma'am. Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay. Quiz 4 question. Which one you are talking? This one I have already told, right?
Yes, ma'am.
XYZ.
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as which? I mean, this has a.
Ma'am, third and fourth.
Okay. I'm just asking one question.
List comprehension.
Yes. Right. Okay. No. Don't see the answer. Okay. Consider the following dictionary marks. This. Okay. So can you tell me what is the meaning of this line?
This is the key and these are the values.
So
Keys and values.
Quizzes are what?
Quizzes are the key.
Key. Okay.
Exams.
These are the values.
These are the values means up to which?
Up to before exam.
Before exams. And inside of this is itself a dictionary, right?
Yes.
Inside of this dictionary, Mahesh is what?
Key.
And this is the
Value.
then Suresh is also a key, then this is the value. Uma is also a key, and this is the value. And again, exam is key, and then this is the value, and inside of this dictionary, this is okay. Which of the following statements does not generate an error? Okay. Yeah, you have to tell me. That is a question. Yeah.
Second is the right answer.
Okay, wait. Okay, so first one is what? Marks is this one, right? Now exams. Suresh, extend 44. That means
Suresh is not there.
Attribute of a list, na. It is not a attribute of dictionary.
Ma'am, Suresh is not the value or what we say exams. In exam only Mahesh and Uma is there. So Suresh is not
We
there.
are updating, na. We are creating Suresh in the exam.
yeah, and extend 44.
Ma'am, actually, extend is a method of list attribute. It is not of a dictionary. You cannot update like this. You cannot extend. Extend is a part of a list. In list, you can extend. Can add elements.
And what it is meaning? Exams Suresh 44.
It means ki exam is the main, and in which we are adding the exam has a Mahesh and Uma is having two keys, and we are nested key. Suresh is another key we are adding. Then when we update this, Suresh will be updated. Mahesh, Uma and Suresh 44 is.
Yeah, so Mahesh 37, Uma 36, and Suresh 44. It will be like that.
List will be added.
Okay. Then
And
marks,
third one is
exams,
also not
append
correct because
44.
it is a list is a append method. You cannot use in dictionary. You cannot append in the dictionary. It is a method of list. So it is also not correct.
Yeah. And then marks Suresh.
It is in this also, because in this Suresh we have not nothing na slicing. So it is also not correct.
Yeah. Right. So does not generate an error, that B will be right one.
Yes. Because first and third are the methods of the list itself. In list we use append and extend to add the elements.
And fourth one then, number 4.
The fourth one is that is in the slices now.
Slicing.
Slice
Slicing.
cannot
No,
be
ma'am, question 4, ma'am. Question 4.
question 4. In
So direct assignment to a key, new key adds a value, all other updates result in key error. And the correct answer will be B. Assume that actor has been initialized as an empty dictionary. Okay. Which of I don't want to show you. Yes. Which of the following generates an error? Okay.
Sir, ma'am, third is the answer, because key should be always immutable. In third case, it is a list. First case, it is a string. In the second is also it is a string, but in the third case it is a list, and in the fourth it is a tuple. Key should always be a immutable होनी चाहिए, और list जो है immutable होती है. So third is incorrect. Key should be always immutable होनी चाहिए ना, values can be
Yes,
mutable.
immutable. Keys are immutable.
So that's why the third is the answer.
Yeah, and list is the mutable one, right?
The third will create an error.
Yeah, string is immutable, tuple is also immutable, and obviously that this one is a this is also a string. Yes, this is also a string. So the first two are string, and the last one is a tuple, and third one is a list. So list is mutable. So as keys should not be a mutable one, so obviously the third one will be the related. Yes. Let's check.
Thank you.
Dictionary keys must be immutable values. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So in the next. Okay. By the way, that permutation is where it is. Like, is there anything in that?
Week 7, quiz 7.
Okay,
Quiz 7.
week 7. Okay. So I think week 7 does not have last date yet completed. What is the last
You
date?
explain, ma'am. You explain what is permutation.
Okay, what is the theory I can explain, but yeah, let me check the. Oh, it is the 15th March. Okay, so yeah, now I can't tell you about these things. This is the 4 questions again. Okay, I have to check these questions also. I did not see these questions. Yeah.
Question and answer should be enclosed in quotation marks.
Sorry.
Question 1 answer should be enclosed in quotation marks.
See, it's already written, na? If the question asks about a value of type string, to enclose your question in single or double quotes. Or if the question asks about a value of type list, then you have to do that list item, like third bracket. Is that your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's already written. You have already finished 6-week quiz, so obviously you should know these things. Okay, so permutation and combination. Permutation in mathematics sense, if I tell. Okay, so do you know these things like NC art, NP art, this type of notations?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is nothing but the permutation and combination. This is for permutation and this is for combination. I'm just telling these things. So NCR, that means we are taking combination of R number among that N number. Let's see 4C1. Then I think it is a value of like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is the 4C1, and 4P1 is like 4 factorial divided by 1 4 minus 1 factorial. Yes, P is permutation. So permutation combination is nothing but the combination in how many ways you are going to distribute one thing. Let's say I am going to distribute
Ways of arrangement. Arrangement doesn't matter.
yes, for permutation for permutation arrangement does not matter, but combination arrangement should matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for permutation, that's why you can see the example, you can see the formula. For permutation, we have 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1 factorial only. That means n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. But in that combination case, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That means these r factorials are the arrangements. We are just subtracting, we are just removing that arrangement. Let's say we have A, B, B, A. We should not do like that A, B, B, A both. For permutation, A, B, B, A both will be there. But in combination, only let's say A, B is there. So that's why the order is important for combination, and for permutation, ordering is not that much important. Even ordering is not important. So for that case, the permutation is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, which is always greater than NCR. That means permutation is always greater than combination. And the permutation is the how many number of ordering, how many number of arrangement you can do, and depending on that arrangement you can have permutation as well as combination. If it is ordered, then it is called as combination, and if it is not a ordered fashion, then it can be a permutation. And I can give you the details of as a example and all these things. Example mean you can see that it's a very simple example of a dice, and then six faces of your Ludo. Like you have seen that Ludo. So in that Ludo, that 6 faces are there. So it may be possible that how many faces will be there. Let's say I am giving 10 times. The Ludo I am throwing 10 times, and how many combination will be there? Let's say I have 3 Ludo face. What is the name? I forget that one. Dice. That dice. So 3 Ludo dice is there. Then how many combination will be there? So you can see, you know that the dice will be like the adding of this one and this one. This one and this one means the upper one is lower one. So it should be the addition of this should be which? Do you know? 7. Right? Because if it is 6, then the opposite surface should be 1. So as a whole it should be 7. So how many combinations should be there if I am having 3 dices? So that type of questions will be in permutation and combination, and I will give you exact 2 or 3 examples like a daily life example. I don't know whatever sir was asking you there. Yes.
Ma'am,
Hello.
hello, ma'am. I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in week 1 question, a fourth question of week 1.
Week 1, 4th question. Quiz or obviously quiz was there. 4th. Consider the following function. Mish. Okay. What was the question? This is a factorial.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the question? Do you want that? Okay. Which of the following is correct? Assuming we always pass an integer argument to miss. The function always terminates with miss. This is a factorial question, right? This is that factorial of n. Miss n is factorial of n.
Last is the option, ma'am. Correct option. Positive.
Oh, obviously, it should be positive. I am just seeing only this programming. So the function terminates for positive n with mysterious of n will be factorial of n. So positive, obviously it should be a positive one. Otherwise, if it is a minus 1, let's say I have m equals to minus 1, then it will go inside of loop, infinitely. Okay, so it should not be a correct one in that case. So the function terminates for positive n with mesh radius. Yes.
If B has
Why not three option?
Permutation.
Sorry?
Why not three option? Third option.
The function terminates for non-negative n with mesh radius 0. 0, if it is a 0, let's say m0.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for
Yes.
permutation, the ascending order or descending order, we should write the alphabets for next permutation. I can't understand the question.
You can't understand the question.
Only one time we
is the
should change.
previous permutation, not next permutation.
Which question?
First question.
Given the following permutation of A,
In
B,
video also we have next permutation, ma'am. In that also I have doubt. In this also I have doubt. How many times the permutation should be repeated, or how?
okay.
I can't understand.
That question I can't tell
You can't able
Yes,
to
yes.
give you give the next permutation this question explanation.
Given the following permutation of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, what is the previous permutation in? Okay, dictionary order, lexicographic dictionary order. Write your answer without any blank space. Okay. Yeah, I have to tell a little bit more on that. But should I tell you in next class? It's already time out.
Ma'am, we have to complete this.
Yeah, that I understand. You can just search in Google. It is a very simple thing, right? Just search in Google, and after that you can have the question answer. Right?
You can
I'm
give
not.
hints.
Now just one doubt, madam. Now just one doubt about hip. Just one doubt.
Oh, about hip. Okay.
Whether it is, if required, the swapping between right and left children can be done if it is going to satisfy hip condition.
If it is not going to satisfy hip condition,
Then if swapping between right and left is allowed or not.
swapping
Can you-
means no, like you are talking about the deleting case, right? In the deleting case, let's say yes.
If root and parent and children swapping is allowed, but between children it is allowed or not.
No, between children, no, obviously not. But it may be possible like that. Let's say I am finishing here. One number is deleted from here. But now I have that type of branches here. Like in the right hand side I have deleted. But still I have a left hand side some parent as well as children is there. So what it will be like that? So here that the rightmost one should be swapped here with the help of Heapify, as she has already told you. And it was also mentioned in that SAS lecture. So with the help of Heapify, you can just swap between these things. Like whatever, let's say the termination is coming here, so you have to follow the heap condition that it should be complete. So obviously that rightmost will be that rightmost will swap to that position. Like yeah.
Direct swapping not allowed, between children not allowed.
Now between children, if it is satisfying that condition, let's say I have only this and the very last this is there, and let's say I am just deleting at some point I am deleting that one. So it is not possible to become a heap. So for that case we can do like that. Like this one will be here and this one will be empty.
For that case only. Okay.
Yes. But obviously, if something like in that case, that right hand side parent case is there, then we have to go there at first. Okay, so I think I'm running out of time. So yeah, you just search in Google, and after that you maybe, hopefully it will be done. But yeah, otherwise I can give you some example in mail also.
Ma'am, in how much time you upload the PDF in which you will attach the model question that you
Model
earlier
question,
said?
yes, model question. Okay, I am just showing you. See here, it is the last year question. Okay. So in that last year question, you can see that this is the online programming test sample. This is the online programming test. Okay. Now if I just click here, there is so many questions. Sample online test question 1, question 2, question 3 and all this. Then online programming test, that was given there, and there were so many questions. There also there were so many questions. And then this is a no, this is not the case. Okay. So if I click here, let's say I am clicking here. I am so showing this one right now also. The internet is not, yeah. So here the question 1, in that question 1, you can see this one. Here is an output function to return the maximum value. This is the question. Okay, up to this one. This is only a one question. So like that, we have so many questions.
Answer is given, ma'am, in this.
And answer I can give you. Like I will give you. And obviously question is there, na? There is no answer. There is something like output true, false and all. Like you have to put that. Whatever it was there in that assignment case. So yeah, but answer I can give you. Yeah.
We have model exams on online before exams.
Last time it was there, but this time it will be there. I hope it will be like that. I mean the model exam will be there. I'm not sure. I have to ask sir. Okay.
Before 1 week before we can get it in email if it is there.
Yes, because you can see that here in that previous year there was a question. I mean online programming test was 18th September 2022.
Ma'am, this time it is no online programming test. Only a written test is only there, protocolated. We have to give the test on the
model
center.
exam.
Sorry?
Model exam I know.
Yes, model. Yeah. This one is also model exam. Okay. These two are the model exams. It was previously taken in previous year. But I am not sure that this
You
year.
will be upload this in our.
Yes,
We
yes.
can see that.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the difference between one word is there, proctoral, non-proctoral, something, exam, PROCT, something. Now one student has mentioned proctoral and non-proctoral.
Proctorated means you have to give the question, exam on the center itself. Unproctorated, you can give the exam in the house itself, online. In the house itself. In the proctorated, you have to give the exam in the center itself.
Okay, ma'am.
But for your case, you have to give the exam on exam center, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever you
From
have
this
filled, yes, whatever you have filled in that exam form, that are these
Center.
3 centers. So with the availability of these, they will give you the exam center. So
Madam, can you tell whether they are providing for rough work, any paper there for rough calculation, rough work,
okay, rough calculation.
like drawing this hip structure and all
No,
that?
rough pages are provided. You have to go with only pen and pencil.
Yeah,
They
these
are
should
providing
be.
the
Yes, this should be
Whether
provided.
they are providing the right page.
no,
Yes.
they
An
will
online
provide or not,
calculator is
that is
available
different.
for us.
But whether our material is not sit there, that is my question. If we are taking our paper and material like that,
No. They will
it is
provide
allowed
you.
or not? It is allowed or not? I think.
They will provide it. You don't need to carry all these things. And one more thing is that, yes, one more thing is that you have to, like, if any time, I think in your case in programming language, calculator will not be required that much. But if calculator is required, then you have to calculate with your online calculator. Okay, so it's already there in that programming. I mean, in that page it was showing. I can show you. Oh. In that
No,
page it was
there-
mentioned that
that is
if
given there. That is given
Yes.
there.
Yes.
They are providing online calculator.
Yes.
Problem is
See?
not about calculator, but problem it is about that rough sketches.
rough page they will provide, and if you will tell for extra sheet, they will also give that, and obviously it will be stressed after that exam, and it will be given back to them, and they will put these things by their hand. Yeah, and then yes. And here you can see that if you have any problem in getting that online calculator access, like how to do the calculation and all this in online
That they have
calculator,
given, that they have given.
yes, you can just click here, then they will give the information about these things, details.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, please upload this quiz in the drive also. Quiz 5 and 6.
Quiz 5 and 6.
Quiz 5.
I mean, previous year quiz 5 and 6.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it has already provided there. I have already provided this one. 5. 6 I did not provide right now. After completing that I will provide. But I think 5 is already there. Okay, you can just check there. 5 is already there. In 5 only programming assignment were there. And only one programming assignment were there. And I have explained that question previous.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, and the solution is also I have given there. Okay, so just check. If it is not there, then I can also give again. I think it is there. So just check the name, whatever it is name in the PDF.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So bye bye. It's true.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Permutation, can you explain in next class, ma'am?
Yes. Sure. In next class I will explain, or if it is possible, like you told me that 15th is the last class, last date, right? So we can do one thing. If you all people will agree, then we can do one thing. We can make a email group so that I can give you some extra material about the permutation and combination, and you can read there. Then it will be helpful for you. Like
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
so.
How it is possible?
How it is possible?
Ma'am, you upload in the discussion form itself, na? Upload that answers that will be available for everyone. Maybe attend.
Wait,
Discussion form.
Discussion form.
There is any discussion form is also there. Discussion नहीं है form. नहीं, on the upper side. ये ask a question. It is there.
Here.
Ask a question. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here you can upload also. Then everyone can see. Yeah, or you will in the drive itself.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can send it in drive. That is a good one. Yes. I can send some materials on that permutation, and obviously a little bit, very little bit, whatever it will be beneficial for you. I will not send you the whole permutation combination book. So I will send you a very little portion, so that after reading that one you can answer that question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Model question paper also.
You will send in the drive itself or on this
Yeah. No. I am sending that in drive itself. Because
Okay.
I don't know if I will write here. Okay, it's better to save in drive. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.